You can train hard, you can eat right, but if you're not sleeping enough, your heart may be paying the price. Sleep is one of the most powerful recovery tools for athletes and one of the most overlooked. During deep sleep, your heart rate slows down, blood pressure drops, and your cardiovascular system gets a chance to rest and repair. This is when your muscle tissue heals, inflammation decreases, and hormones like growth hormone and cortisol are regulated, all which are crucial for heart health. What happens when your sleep is lacking? Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to elevated resting heart rate, increased blood pressure, higher risk of arrhythmias, slower recovery times, and long-term risk of heart disease. Even one bad night can impact your training output. Several in a row, this puts your heart under chronic stress. For athletes, 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night is the baseline. Elite performers often need more, especially during intense training cycles. Make sleep a priority just like any workout. Your performance doesn't just improve on track or in the gym, it improves while you sleep. Because strong hearts aren't built by training alone, they're built by rest, repair, and rhythm. Prioritize sleep, protect your heart, train the modern way.